Hello, humans. Today, let's study the impact of caffeine on the body. First, let's copy the box with the machine gun and place it nearby. Let's rename it to Box Coffee. Open the shader editor. We need to modify the material, but we can't do it in the new object because this unique material is currently used by two boxes. And if we change something in it, the changes will affect both boxes. So let's copy the material by pressing this button or this one. Now let's rename the material to Box Coffee. And now, let's replace the texture. Don't mix up the blocks. We have one normal map for everyone. Find the block with the diffuse texture. Press the Open Image button and choose the texture named Box Coffee Diffuse. Now we have two boxes with different contents. The first box increases the rate of fire, and the second one will add speed to the character's body. Let's bring back the logic node editor on the screen and open the box spawn branch. Copy the spawn object block and connect it immediately after. Change the name to Box Coffee. And let's assign the existing coordinates to it. Now, after the game starts, two different boxes will appear on the scene, in two different random locations. Both boxes will provide the same bonus, a machine gun. We need to differentiate them based on content and their impact on the character's body. I suggest adding a local string variable to each box, in which we will store a value describing the purpose of the box. So, in both boxes, create a variable of type string named bonus type. In the box with the machine gun, assign it the value machine gun. In the box with caffeine, assign the value coffee. Now let's go to the box collision branch. We need to create a fork. Right after the onContact block, insert a gate block where we will check the value of the bonus type variable. To do this, use the getObjectProperty block, specifying the bonus type variable. Leave the object field empty, because each box will check its own individual variable. Therefore, if we pick up a box that holds the value machine gun, we will execute this code chain. Temporarily increase the firing rate. And if, during the variable check, it turns out that it wasn't a machine gun after all, then the false channel will activate. To this, we will connect another check, where we will examine the bonus type variable for the value coffee. In other words, if there's no machine gun in the box, the next question will be, maybe there's coffee in the box? And if there is indeed coffee in the box, then the true channel will activate. Now we need to create a code chain that will execute in this case. Let's think again about what should happen. Our character has a player speed variable that we use to store speed. So let's change it for 6 seconds and then return it to its original value. Copy this code snippet. Change the variable name to player speed. Leave 6 seconds in the sleep block. Now about speed. In my opinion, our character is moving too fast right now. So let's first change the default value to 0.05. And now, after drinking coffee, assign the value 0.1. After the timer, return to 0.05. Now let's test the theory in practice. Launch the game. First, take the box with the machine gun and make sure that the firing rate has increased. Then grab the second one and get a speed boost. If everything works, then let's go back to the code and tidy up. Place the conditions in green frames. They can be arranged vertically. Color all variable actions in orange. Align the blocks and make them more compact. That's it for today. Bye bye.